peace, love, and blessing. Yo. All right, so today we got the Galaxy Buds Pro.
Who?
What's up, everybody? Peace, love, and blessing. Yo, I already reviewed these. I deleted the video. It was terrible. I love these things, okay? These are great. They sound amazing. They sound good. The price is right. I love Google because they got money, okay? Google got money. Listen. Google got money to where they like, listen, we care about the consumer, okay? So the price is amazing and you can get so much out of this. Let me tell you the specs. It already covers the basics. Bluetooth 5.0, water resistance IPX4, basic standard. AirPod Pros has the same thing. Charging, USB Type-C, Apple, USB Type-C. They beat you to it. It's too late, they beat you to it. Battery life, oh my gosh. 11 hours with after noise cancellation. Listen, that's not bad. That's because with it off, a whole day plus more. I love it. Google, keep doing your thing. These are some pros. So here's the box. That's all it comes with. You know, little, small, and then inside you get the Google Buds themselves, and then you have extra ear attachments, you know, different sizes, small and large. When you open it up, you got the charge indicator, you got the buds themselves, nice and beautiful. At the bottom, you get the USB Type-C port for that fast, lovely charging. And on the back, you got the pairing. That's all you need, and that's all it comes with. Now, unfortunately, you might need to pick up a USB Type-C charger if you don't have it, but if you do, you're in luck. This is all you need. All right, so here it is in my ear. Freaking amazing. As soon as you put them in, everything cuts. You don't hear nothing. Beautiful. I love the sound. The sound sounds great. The price, I'm just so happy with the price because I've been looking for some new buds in general. And like, you know me, I need something that's like price friendly, but that does a lot. You know what I'm saying? I like going over the companies. You know what I'm saying? I like when companies get over on me. Apple, okay? So I'm listening to some music. The bass sound great. The sound sounds great. These are some really heavy hitter headphones, and trust me, I feel like these are going to be the ones this year that's going to take the flag. I don't know what's up with Google. I guess they got tired of being making fun of. I'm gonna be honest, them Pixel Buds were trash for real. Like, come on, they had competition at the likes of JBL, Sony, Apple, Galaxy, Samsung themselves. So it's like, when these come out, it's like, all right, listen, Google's cool, but y'all not real competition. They like, no, take us seriously. Listen, they late to the party with the after noise canceling, but better late than never. I'm telling you, y'all need to get this. These are some good buds. They come with some great features and some great things. I don't see you being disappointed in this at all. I give these a 9 out of 10. Only reason I'm saying a 9 is because they don't have all the equipment with it. Like having a USB charger would have been nice, but having a USB Type-C charger would have been nice because maybe not everyone is in the loop yet. But yeah, that's the only reason why I'm giving 9 out of 10. Besides that, great earbuds, really great. I enjoy these. So if you're in the market for some earbuds, I guarantee you need to go ahead and grab these, pick these up. These are Apple friendly. Y'all know I got an Apple. I've been using these on my Apple phone. These are dope, these are good. Like, go ahead and get these, you will love these, and I got nothing bad to say about them. They're compatible, they're friendly. What more do you want? They're nice and small, pocket friendly. Listen, they have different colors too. Look at them, look at this. The colors look nice. The sounds sound good. So listen, I ain't got nothing else to say. Hope you guys get these. Don't miss out, okay? I got goals today. You got goals today. Go ahead and get these Pixel Buds Pro. These are nice. They being sold out, flying off the shelves. And now I see why. Glad I copped them like I did. So yeah. That being said, I ain't got nothing to say. I'm actually blown and shocked and surprised by these. Yeah. I'm out. Thanks for watching.